Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's an honor to be presenter in this International Journal Seminar ICOMELA to 2021. I'm Revy Crismona Delia as a first author, Wasilatul Murtafi'ah second author, and Edy Suprapto third author. We from Mathematics Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Pikir Imagine University. This paper title is Analysis of Student Representation Ability in Solving Hot Question Review from Self-Efficacy. And this is what my research has been looking at. In July 2013, the Ministry of Education and Culture has been implemented the 2013 curriculum in school instead in accordance with Government Regulation Number 65 of 2013. The policy for implementing the 2013 curriculum is to improve the previous curriculum, which was prepared by developing and strengthening attitudes, knowledge, and skill. In the 2013 curriculum, most math questions are of the hot type. This is aligned with 21st century learning, with hot questions must be solved using the 4C, namely critical thinking and problem solving, creativity and innovation, communication and collaboration. The hot question is a measurement instrument used to measure higher order thinking skill at the level analysis, evaluation, and creation. Based on the result of VCA Indonesia in 2018 in the category of mathematical ability, Indonesia is ranked 71st out of 73rd participant country. This is caused by the low ability of Indonesian students in problem solving. According to the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, NCTM, there are 5 mathematical abilities the student must master when learning mathematics, one of which is the ability to represent mathematically. Based on relevant research, it is explaining that students have difficulty in representing mathematical ideas. This is aligned with the research of observation made at SD Negeri Lego Kulon 1 Kasreman that students have low mathematical representation ability, where students have difficulty solving problems using words, symbol, and image. In addition to student mathematical representability in solving problems, student psychology aspects are also important in learning mathematics. One of the psychology aspects is self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is belief about students' self-ability in performing, overcoming, and completing tasks or goals to achieve certain results. Based on this background, I'm interested in conducting research on analysis of student representation ability in solving hot question review from self-efficacy. Types of research. Type of research is a descriptive qualitative research. Place and time. The research was carried out at SD Negeri Lego Kulon 1 Kasreman in the event semester of the 2020 until 2021 academic years. Research source any two. 1. Primary source consists a questionnaire, test, and interview. 2. Secondary source consists a scientific article and book. Research instrument is a self-efficacy questionnaire, a test in the form hot question, and interview guideline questionnaire. Data collection technique. The data in the study were obtained through several methods, such as questionnaire, test, and interview. Data collection began on June 14, 2021 by giving a questionnaire to determine student self-efficacy. Then on June 15, 2021, a test was given to all 4th grade students in the form of hot question to determine their mathematical representation ability. The test in the form of hot question is carried out individual with a complement time of 30 minutes. On June 17, 2021, face-to-face interviews were conducted to determine the ability of mathematical representation solving hard questions at the open time. Data analysis technique consists of data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion. Research procedures consists of preparation phase, implementation phase, data analysis phase, and conclusion drawing stage. Research of high self-efficacy subject analysis of representation ability. 1. Verbal representation ability. Subject can restate what is known, BX, and explain the step using words. 2. Image representation ability. Subject can present previous information in the form of image representation when the image present are in accordance with the intent of the question, clear and completed the information. 3. Symbol representation ability. Subject can solve problem by converting previous information into symbolic representation and can operate mathematical equation correctly. Research on medium self-efficacy subject analysis of representation ability. 1. Verbal representation ability. Subject can restate what is known, BX, and explain the step using word, but not complete. 2. Image representation ability. Subject can present previous information in the form of image representation where the image present is in accordance with the intent of the question, but there is an error in reading the description. 3. Symbol representation ability. Subject can solve problem by converting previous information into the form of symbolic representation, but has difficult operation mathematical question. Research of low self-efficacy subject analysis of representation ability. 1. Verbal representation ability. Subject can restate what is known, be asked, and explain the step using words, but it is not complete and precise. 2. Image representation ability. Difficult in solving problems by converting previous information into the form of symbolic representation, so then there are no mathematical questions. 3. Symbol representation ability. Difficult and presenting previous information in the form of image representation when the image representation are not in accordance with the intent of question. So based on result, it can be concluded that 1. Subjects with high self-efficacy were able to express mathematical ideas using all representation ability, including answer questions with words by stating no arts and complete and precise type, presenting images according to context problem, and express problem by making mathematical symbol. 2. Subjects with medium self-efficacy can express mathematical ideas by using all representation ability, but not yet perfect. Include studying known arts and step using words, presenting image but not yet correct, and studying problem by making mathematical symbol but still an operation error occurs. 3. Subject with low self-efficacy are less able to express mathematical ideas using a representation ability included difficulties in answer questions it's with words, images, and mathematical symbols. That is all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.